Today, we're going to show you how to properly clean the Ascom pillow speaker. Proper cleaning is important because the nurse can't hear the patient because their microphone is getting liquid damage in it. Here's how you do it in 3 easy steps. First, use the right supplies. Use a microfiber cloth to wipe this pillow speaker and make sure you use an improved cleaner. Second, how to do the cleaning. Slightly moisten the cloth with an improved cleaning solution. Ensure no lights are illuminated or flashing. Press and hold the patient station's cancel button for 4 seconds until its LED flashes once, then release the button. Cleaning mode disables the station for a period of time so any button press doesn't cause an alarm. All LEDs on the patient station and any modules attached to it will fast flash to indicate it is in cleaning mode. Third, gently wipe the surface of the pillow speaker with a damp cloth. Clean any associated cords using a damp cloth. Use another dry cloth to wipe surface dry. It is important to do this final step. This keeps residue from the cleaner from collecting on and corroding the interior components of the pillow speaker. And that's how you properly clean an Ascom pillow speaker.